Hello everyone, welcome back. Well, not exactly to another card opening, but to the continuation of the Rise TCG opening. So my name's Simon, this is Simon's Card Hut, and now we're going to continue with the remaining 24 packs. Not a lot of words to lose about this, since I just screwed up the battery life for the camera, so let's just continue here. Once again, I will skip through the comments and only show the nice foily ones. A Grim Dance and a sword. Ah, that's a really nice foil effect here with the Sword of Destiny. Also, how did you like? See? This is the highly sought after cards here. It's number 190 of 200, the Dark Clover. Oh, we have a number 4 of 500. Oh, what is this pack? A 436 of 500. A 446 of 500 Mimic. A 445 of 500 Fawn the Keymaster, a Maso 435, a Sado 412, Serenity 443, Mask of Darkness 435, a Lucky Clover 421, and whatever you are, 445. Interesting. So, not really sure what's going on with this one. It's full of the serialized cards. So usually I've gotten like 2 out of a box. Really curious. If anybody knows who is watching this video, if this is something special, please let me know. Because I don't know. Yet I will probably look it up afterwards. Undead Prophecy in the next pack, Food Training, and a Kronos. Also, of course, it would be really cool to have a number 1 of something. But I think those are rather rare. Come on. This one doesn't want to be opened. And let's try the side thingy, which is whatever. So, continuing. I also need to make sure if I have to censor something that I remember it. Glowing Protection and a meal. A cat. We have a cat. Beautiful cat. See, I know there's other games which have like weird god packs, but not sure if Rise actually does that too. Would be interesting to know. We have a Hungry Like the Wolf, eating Demonic Skull, and a Mask of Darkness. See, that's how I usually get those serialized cards. Not all of them in one pack. That was crazy. Yes, I am struggling, but let me just get out with scissors. Don't do that with your cards, by the way. Ah, so it's an Elevation, the serialized card that we had before. Without text. Interesting. And here we have a Talion, a Holy Grenade, and El Diablo. next pack. With a blind, a signet ring of sacrifice, and an angel of truth. Cool. Next pack. Doesn't I force it to? So we have a weakness prophecy, eternal damnation, and a white flame, which is also looking really nice. Once again, very overproduced in my opinion for a card game, but I don't mind it. They also feel very nice. So we have die and retry, a life temple, and a skeleton king. Next pack. Still like 3 more in this column. Let's see. Once again, I'm leaving part 2 also without prices, so we have a go with the flow. An undead army and Ogna's orb. This is also looking cool. On to the next pack. Interesting how some of them are upside down. We have a bomb, a bounty hunter, and a serialized serenity, 218 of 500. So theoretically, from past experiences, we had 2 serialized cards now. So far I haven't gotten more out of a box, but let's see. I mean, I had a whole pack here full of serialized cards. We have a royal attack, clone army, and a lance. So second row is gone. Let's start with row number 3. And as announced in the video description, I will be uploading this video out of the regular schedule. So my regular schedule, after I'm done with the Collapse Prophecy, the Serenity, and the cutest kitty. So regular schedule currently being Wednesday, Yu-Gi-Oh! And Saturday is something else. So this will probably be Tuesday video, which those packs are really sturdy, which can be a good thing, but it's annoying me. On to the next pack, where we have a Royal Protection, a Cloverfield, that one's looking cool, and a Clone General who wants you to join the army. On to the next pack, where we have a Rage, a Parasite, and a Kenok. Lots of ice. So let's check out the next pack. A Etherization, Amok. Like I said, lots of ice. This one has a cool like texture, if I can get it to show, like there's rings coming out of it. Yeah. And then 4 arms. on to the next pack. So we have a life cycle, dementia, once again, one of the eye cards, and a unicity. Unicity? Well, something like that. Let's see with the next one. We get a last smile. The texture is really nice with those cards. A void energy and militia. On to the next one. Let's see what we can get here. We have a generosity prophecy, a paranoia, once again with the eyes, and a mimic. These packs are way too sturdy, I tell you. So, yep, that's one of the cards I have to censor. This one not. We have a Revenge, a Sado, and a Feather of Light. Which is also looking cool. Let me just note down the time where I actually have to censor the video. Because of nudity, by the way, in case you hopefully can't see it in the video. So let's continue on with a disinterest. Looks somewhat like a disenchant that you might know from a certain other game. We have a Maso and an Illumination, which also has a very cool texture. So 3 packs left to go. Let's see if my theory about 2 regular serialized cards per box is wrong. Alright. So we have a dropout, a compulsive accumulator, and a holy skull. Second to last pack. A healthy carrier, an hourglass. That one's also nice looking. And a blast corporation. And last pack for this box. Like I said, I have 2 hours lying around. Still unopened. Where we have a pandemic. How fitting for not this year. A rank 2 spellcaster and a rational. Okay. So this was the remainder of the Rise TCG opening. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, as always, please consider leaving a like and subscribing, and I will be seeing you at the next one.